Kentucky Home School for Girls, Elmwood School, Philadelphia High School for Girls, Academy of Notre de Namur, Newton Country Day School of the Sacred Heart, Ashley Hall, North London Collegiate School, Young Women's College Preparatory Academy, Norwich High School for Girls, Westlake School for Girls, the King's High School, Queensgate School, Stuart Country Day School of the Sacred Heart, Girls Preparatory School, Madeira School, Baldwin School, Godolphin and Latymer School, Ursuline Academy, Spence School, Withington Girls School, Foxcroft School, Buffalo Seminary, Albany Academy for Girls, Balmoral School, Brearley School, the Ethel School, James Allen's Girls School, Francis Holland, Chapin School, Badminton School, Hockaday School, Miss Porter's School, National Cathedral School, Excel Academy Public Charter School.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.